Welcome to Brainy Kids. Get ready to test your knowledge with fun and tricky questions. Let's get started with 3 simple rules. The moon has always fascinated humanity, from myths and legends to the incredible Apollo missions. In 1969, Apollo 11 made history when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the lunar surface, declaring it one giant leap for mankind. Over 6 successful missions, the Apollo program advanced our understanding of the moon and its resources. Now the Artemis program seeks to go further, aiming to return humans to the moon, including the first woman and person of color. Artemis plans to create a sustainable presence on the moon with new technologies and the Lunar Gateway space station. This program will prepare humanity for future missions to Mars and beyond. The moon, just 384,400 kilometers away, holds secrets about our solar system's history and resources for future exploration. Lunar exploration continues to inspire, proving that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning. True or false? The Apollo program sent humans to the moon 6 times. True. What year did Apollo 11 land on the moon? (1969). Fill in the blank. The first human-made object to reach the moon was blank. Luna 2. Fill in the blank. The moon is approximately blank kilometers from Earth. (384,400). How many astronauts walked on the moon during Apollo 11? Do. Fill in the blank. Apollo missions brought back blank kilograms of lunar rocks. (382). True or false? Artemis is named after a Roman goddess? False. It's named after a Greek goddess. Fill in the blank. Artemis aims to send the first blink to the moon. Woman. What is the Artemis program's primary goal? Lunar base. Fill in the blank. The moon's surface is covered in fine, dusty material called blank. Regolith. True or false? The moon has no atmosphere at all. False. It has an extremely thin exosphere. Fill in the blank. NASA plans to build a lunar space station called the Blank Gateway. Lunar Gateway. What is the moon's gravity compared to Earth's? One-sixth. Fill in the blank. The moon has no blank, which causes extreme temperature differences. Atmosphere. Fill in the blank. The dark plains on the moon are known as blank. Maria. Why is the Artemis program important for future space exploration? The Artemis program is important because it seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, paving the way for future Mars missions. It will develop new technologies, study lunar resources, and explore the moon's potential as a base for deep space exploration. Artemis will also inspire global collaboration and the next generation of scientists and engineers. True or false? The moon is Earth's only natural satellite. True. Which Apollo mission was the last to land on the moon? Apollo 17. Fill in the blank. The first human to walk on the moon was blank. Neil Armstrong. If the Artemis spacecraft travels at an average speed of 38,000 kilometers per hour and the moon is 384,400 kilometers away, how long will it take to reach the moon? To calculate the travel time, we use the formula time equals distance divided by speed. The moon is 384,400 kilometers away, and the Artemis spacecraft travels at 38,000 kilometers per hour. Dividing 384,400 by 38,000 gives us approximately 10.1 hours. So it would take about 10 hours to reach the moon at that speed. What powers the Artemis spacecraft? Solar panels. If a lunar rover travels for 2 hours at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour, how far does it travel? To calculate the distance, we use the formula distance equals speed multiplied by time. If the lunar rover moves at 5 kilometers per hour for 2 hours, multiplying 5 by 2 gives us 10 kilometers. So the rover would travel 10 kilometers on the moon's surface in that time. True or false? The Apollo 13 mission successfully landed on the moon. False, it was a mission failure, but returned safely. Fill in the blank. The Artemis program is planning to use the blank rocket for its missions. SLS or Space Launch System. What is the duration of one moon day in Earth days? "29 days. Fill in the blank. The moon's temperature can drop to as low as blank degrees Celsius at night. minus 173 degrees Celsius. True or false? The Artemis program will use the same spacecraft as Apollo. False. It will use the Orion spacecraft and other new technology. Fill in the blank. Apollo 17 was the first mission to include a trained blank as part of the crew. Scientist. Which country was the first to successfully land a rover on the moon? USSR. If a spacecraft covers 576,000 kilometers in 16 hours, what is its average speed in kilometers per hour? To find the speed, we use the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. The spacecraft covers 576,000 kilometers in 16 hours. Dividing 576,000 by 16 gives us an average speed of 36,000 kilometers per hour. How did you do? Tell us in the comments below. And thanks for watching Brainy Kids. We hope you had fun learning today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new quiz. See you next time, Brainy Friends.